Let's be honest, most sellers think they need better ads to sell more. But the truth is, your image decides everything. Clicks, conversion, ranking. Let me prove it. I just searched transparent food container on Amazon. This one caught my attention instantly. Why? Because of color and clarity. The next one, same product, but looks boring. And here is the crazy part. I haven't read a single title yet. My brain already decided which one I would like and which one I would click. That's the power of great images. They sell before your words do. So in this video, I'll show you 10 image types that are working like crazy in 2026 and how brands are quietly using them to double their sales. Number 1. The main image props. Most sellers play it too safe with their main image. White background, nothing else. Technically correct, but visually invisible. The trick? Add context without crossing Amazon's 85% rule. Let me show you an example. In the search result, this cookie sheet has a plain white background following Amazon's rules. But at a glance, you get no info unless you read the title. Also, it looks pretty boring. But this one is different. They added a sticker on that items that has information, comes in 3 different sizes. And here is one we did at Ecomclips, added real cookies as props. Suddenly, it feels alive. You can smell it through the screen. But remember, keep your product 85% of the frame and your background pure white. Creativity within rules wins. Chaos gets you suppressed. Number 2. The multi-use callout image. Think about your product story in action. Take this water bottle as example. Well, what makes it cool? It works for both hot and cold drinks. Simple, right? Now look at this vacuum cleaner. It's not just for carpets. It works on 3 different surfaces. That's the story here. Now compare it to this image, which only highlights that it's lightweight. Is that really what shoppers care about most? Not really. For a vacuum cleaner, the most important feature is cleaning multiple surfaces, as the first image shows clearly. Number 3. Scannable infographic. You have got 3 seconds before a shopper scrolls. So, if they master it, make it scannable. Like this image. It doesn't rely heavily on text, but it clearly highlights the key features. 5 hours of battery backup, waterproof design, and no oil needed for maintenance. Shoppers get all that info instantly without losing focus. Use 3 to 5 bullets, icons, clean layout, designed for phones first, not desktops. Nobody wants to read your mini essay inside an image. So ask yourself, do people care about this info? Can they understand it within 2 seconds? If not, simplify it. Remember, good design makes people feel smart. Number 4. Show the packaging. People don't just buy the product, they buy the feeling of receiving it. Show your packaging. If it looks premium, flaunt it. It says, I am a real brand. You can pack a lot of information into the packaging itself, like this image, where it clearly says the product suits all skin types and helps clean, heal, and smooth the skin. But if your packaging is basic, add creative design or background texture to make it pop. Even a splash or go effect can transform a plain bottle into a premium experience. Number 5. Show everything. Ever clicked a listing and wondered what actually inside the box? Don't make shopper guess. Show them. This streamer image shows all the clips and accessories, and this gives shoppers a clear idea of what they will get. Displaying everything can be a big plus for sellers since it helps boost click-through rates. Like this one. It shows everything included. Include every piece, every accessory, all neatly laid out. The result? Instant perceived value. And if your product comes in multiple colors, show them all in one image. These water bottles comes in different color, some pink, some blue, and everyone has their own preferences. For example, if a shopper is looking for a green hydro flask, this image still catches their attention because the green one is visible, even though the pink is in front. Now compare it to this image. This hydro flask also has color variations. Notice the green section below? But since only the black one is shown in the main image, shoppers who want a green or ash color have to click into the listing and search for it. As mentioned earlier, shoppers want quick, relevant info without effort. Showing all color variation in your images helps them fix exactly what they are looking for. People don't buy the best product, they buy the one that looks easiest to choose. Number 6. Add color. Our brains love the color contrast. 9 out of 10 shoppers click the brighter listing, even if the product's the same. Look at this comparison. Which one pulls your eyes first? That's your scroll stopper. Use color wisely. Vibrant tone for emotion, soft tone for trust. Number 7. Zoom into the detail. On Amazon, buyers can touch your product, but zooming in helps them feel the quality. Show close-ups of material, finish, or features. Take this image for example. The main features are double stitching for strength, dual zippers, and multiple internal pockets. The brand smartly zoomed in on these details to highlight quality and craftsmanship. Every zoom detail whispers, this brand pays attention. That's how you turn skepticism into confidence without saying a word. Number 8. Lifestyle image. People buy what they can imagine themselves using. Show your product in their world. And for that, lifestyle images are best. Take this one. You see a model flying the drone. Even though it's a still photo, it feels dynamic and alive. But make sure it's relatable. What do we mean by that? Look at this picture. A kid riding a toy ship. Perfect, right? But if an adult were riding that same toy, it would instantly fall off. So use relatable models that mirror your customer's age, vibe, and lifestyle. If they see themselves, they will see the buy button next. Number 9. How-to or instruction images. Confusion kills conversion. A simple how-to-use image removes friction. Take a look at this one. This isn't just a picture, it's a shortcut. A visual guide that shows exactly how to use the product. No guessing. No confusion, just clear, simple steps. It builds trust instantly. That emotion is equal to purchase. And finally, number 10. Our versus other. Sometimes the best way to win is to compare. Try to compare your product with other competitors. It will help shoppers to find why your products are better than others, like these two images. It can help simplify shoppers' decision-making process because they can compare your product with others immediately, not even going to competitor listing. If they found the information they care about, then pretty sure you are gonna convert them into sales. Here is a tip for this type of image. If your product has a unique selling point that your competitor doesn't have, highlight those in this image, along with specific features, benefits, or improvements. This will help you stand out. But stay factual, don't mock, just show why you are better. Alright, and here is what new in 2026. AI can generate professional images in minutes. Tools like Firefly and Leonardo help you create image variation for A/B testing. No photo studio needed. Amazon even partnered with Adobe Express for ad creatives. So while others complain about cost, you will just outcreate them. So remember, your image are not decoration. They are your silent sales team. Nail them and you will win the click, the trust, and the cart. And if you ever feel lost, we have got your back at Ecomclips. Drop your essay in the comments and we will review it for free. So that's it for today. If you have any question or concern, reach out info@ecomclips.com and we will get back to you ASAP. Subscribe our channel for the next video where I will show you how to make this image with AI in under minutes. See you soon.